Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can remove box braids. This is gonna be a quick tutorial because it literally took me an hour and a half. So if you're looking for a fast and efficient way to remove your box braids yourself, just keep on watching. This video is a long overdue, so I'm not gonna talk too much and I'm gonna jump right into it. First things you're gonna need are scissors, combs, and some hair ties. Once you've got all this, we are going to start by cutting your braids. So this is a part where you have to be kind of confident in yourself that you know where your hair ends, because you don't want to cut off your hair, right? So you're going to cut a little bit after your hair, and this is going to allow you to speed up the process so much because you won't have to unbraid the whole braid. You will just have to unbraid the part where your real hair is. And then that's it. You start unbraiding your hair. Once you're done unbraiding, you just remove the extension and then you start combing your hair. And you guys will see that a lot of time you will have product buildup at the very root of your hair. So if that happens, take a comb that has very narrow teeth and just start combing very slowly, very gently. This part can be a little bit painful, so you guys are gonna see my faces during the video that are pretty interesting. But just ignore that, and if ever you are in pain when you remove your braid, you can see that I was in pain too and you're not alone. Yeah, as you guys can see, I am suffering, but that is part of the process. And yeah, I'm drinking kombucha because I love kombucha. I know some people are gonna be like, what? It tastes like vinegar, but I love it, and it's good for your soul and your body. So yeah, this is the part where you see me doing weird faces because it hurts. And if you have curly hair, you know what I'm talking about. So if you have curly hair and you also struggle with pain sometimes, just comment down below and let's support each other. Hey guys, so I'm done with unbraiding my hair. Now I'm just gonna jump into the shower, shampoo my hair, condition and deep condition my hair, and then that's it. I did want to show you guys how much hair did I lose, and I lost this amount of hair, which is a lot. But think about it, if you don't basically manipulate your hair for about a month, you are gonna have a lot of dead hair that are gonna come out when you brush them. So this is normal, honestly, and my hair is really poofy, so this seems like it's a lot. It is a lot for sure, but you know, I think like this is normal to lose that when you basically don't manipulate your hair for a month. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful. Please give me a thumb up if you did like it, and I will see you guys in my next video.